Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to subtract dates in Excel. Here I have start date and end date columns, and we will calculate the number of years, months, and days between them. First, in the number of years column, write this formula, equals date if A2, B2, Y. This formula calculates the complete number of years between the start date and end date. After pressing enter, drag from the bottom right corner of the cell to copy it for the other rows. Make sure both dates are in the same date format, otherwise Excel may show an error. Now, in the number of months column, write equals DATEDIF if A2, B2, M. Here, M means months. This will return the total completed months between the two dates. Again, drag down to copy the formula. Next, in the number of days column, write equals DATEDIF A2, B2, D. The D argument calculates the total number of days between the start and end dates. Drag down to apply it to all rows. That's how easily you can subtract dates in Excel and find years, months, and days. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.